If you're watching this video right now, you're probably someone who's interested in an official artist channel. Maybe you are an artist looking to upgrade your channel. There's some problems that I had to deal with when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel. Getting help is not easy. You are not going to find someone who's behind the desk ready to take your call. You can forget about that. In fact, I reached out and called, never got an answer. I went to the website, I have to do my research. I went to Google and I typed in official artist channel. You can go to Google and do your own research and they'll give you some information. In fact, I'm putting together another video on the benefits of having an official artist channel. So look out for that, subscribe for that. But you can go there and they'll give you information. But as far as getting the help you really need, that's one thing I found out. So that's the second problem when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel. Getting help is not going to be easy. You're going to run into all types of issues, and getting them to get you the response is not going to be very easy. So keep that in mind. In fact, what I like to use is affirmations, and one of my favorites says, I'm always prepared for the challenge, always ready for the unexpected. I always come through with an outstanding performance and an outstanding result. I can be counted on. So think about that. Using different affirmations. That's going to be important when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel. There's going to be times when you're going to need help. You're not going to get it. Stay patient and reach out to them. And the good thing about it, they will get back in touch with you if you stay with it. And for a long time, I thought about what I would do to get signed, to excel to the next level in my music career. Some of you watching this right now, you're wondering, how can I get this thing done? Check out this video right here, what I would do today to get signed. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed. Stay positive. I'll see you on to the next level. Peace.